the precision glue gels, and it will prevent a lot of from scratching on or getting on the hair, or is getting all of the crystal will stuck. A lot of clients, oh my god, I love it, but it's keep catching on my hair and it keep pulling all of my fabrics off of my clothes or my scarf. So this will be solution. So we're gonna seal all on the top of the frame charms and the beads, but do not try not to getting on the crystal, because you keep your crystal stay nice and sparkle. You don't want it to be like definitely getting covered complete by top coat or precision glue gel. Is gonna taking away from the shy sparkles. So I'm gonna seal only on the beads only, okay, so to prevent the beads from getting tarnished. And we are going to blend it out here for 60 seconds. And then all, of course, when you feel like right here still scratchy, you are going to fill it in, and you can seal it more than one time as you need it, okay? So if you feel like, you can flash cure for 10 seconds and then cure again. All right, so we're gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the next one, and here's super beautiful cute beads right here. I'm gonna seal right on the top, and seals on the top, only on the top of the beads and the frame and the metals, not on the top of the crystal. You see that how I skipped that crystal, Jaden? And I'm gonna seal right on the edges of the crystals, not on the top of it. So then that way it's still really nice and also double secure, but it's not going to cover your crystal at all. Okay. All right, so then we are finished with this. Hey, it is stunning though. I connect a lot of more, you know, but I'm so obsessed with the designs of flowers. So here's a look. Let me cure both of them in 60 seconds.